here, Roger behind the camera. We're going to talk about the Love Shack. So let's take a walk down here. We love our rough walkway here, but we may be changing this out for concrete or something.
We're going to have to replace that for sure.
To walk on. We have a little bistro table, lots of umbrellas, so you have some shade. Makes it really nice. Some stools out front. This was an amazing addition here. We had an ash tree, and the ash tree has a problem with the borer worms.
Borer worms are killing it.
So we decided, what can we do besides cut it down? So we had Harley come out with a chainsaw.
Harley Daughtry.
And did a beautiful job. He knew that I loved hummingbirds. You can see right in here. There's sunflowers on this side. And there's trumpet flowers and more hummingbirds. And then at the top we have a butterfly up there. And also along the trunk here you'll see a butterfly. So it's really unique to be able to look at this and just see what you can find. Over here's another really cool butterfly on this side. And Harley did a beautiful job and sealed it. Come on around. Roger has his raccoon head poking its head out here on top. So that's it's just a beautiful centerpiece for the deck. We'll go in here.